This is the Prandtl Meyer Expansion Interactive Calculator, which solves supersonic flow expansion problems around corners. The calculator has 5 calculation modes in the drop-down menu. Calculate M2 from M1 and deflection angle Θ. Calculate deflection angle Θ from M1 and M2. Calculate M1 from M2 and deflection angle Θ. Calculate pressure and temperature ratios, and calculate area ratio from Mach numbers. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate M2 from M1 and deflection angle Θ. The input fields are specific heat ratio G, set to 1.4, upstream Mach number M1, and deflection angle Θ in degrees. Let's work through an example. With specific heat ratio G equals 1.4, upstream Mach number M1 equals 2.0, and deflection angle Θ equals 20 degrees. Clicking Calculate gives us these results. The downstream Mach number M2 is 2.8306. The Prandtl Meyer function, nm1, is 26.380 degrees, and nm2 is 46.380 degrees, confirming our 20-degree deflection. The pressure ratio P2P1 is 0.27518. Temperature ratio T2-T1 is 0.69165, and density ratio R2-R1 is 0.39785. The Mach angles are M1 equals 30/0 degrees and M2 equals 20.69 degrees. This tool streamlines expansion fan calculations for supersonic flow analysis. Find the link in the description below.